Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct the 10th part of toy plane. In this tutorial, we are going to make the bottom part, the wheel axle. Double click this. So you can see a pin type structure here. So this is the wheel axle. Okay. So which is clamping the wheel with the main axle. So go back to the assembly. Now here, go to new, take a standard part administrator and go to create. Now take 2D sketch. Select the XY plane, take here line command. From center point, construct a straight line, escape, go to line command once again, make one vertical line, one line like this and one line like this. Okay, now escape. Now go to arc command, take 3-point arc, select this top end and here select this end of the line and make a arc structure. Go to dimension. Here define this total length as 31 mm. Define this diameter here as 2. Okay. Define this length as 26. Now define this radius here as 5. Okay. Go to coincident. Select this point. Select this line. Now escape. So this is fully defined sketch. Finish sketch. Revolve command. And here select this as axis of rotation. Now press OK. Now from here we will define the appearance. We will take here chrome polished. Okay. Rotate. This will be the final part. Now we'll save it as part 10. Okay, and here we'll define the wheel axle. Okay, and save it. So this will be the 10th part. For previous part you can watch the previous videos. Thank you.